Okay, so hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of December and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a like tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots via my website. It's new, that's why I keep on forgetting. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see Pisces, what's happening. This person is feeling like they should think like long and hard enough in this direction about the situation between you and then they should decide for the future direction of the situation, because they messed up big time in the past as well and they don't want to repeat the same cycle again whatsoever in this lifetime with you or anybody else. Right now it's about you. Let me clarify the Hermit. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Star, and the Devil, right? See, this person is feeling like they should come forward towards you only when they are going to be completely healed from all the past toxic relationships, toxic situations, toxic like experiences they ever had, or maybe they put you through. So they feel like they should come back towards you only when they are going to be completely healed and completely out of any kind of toxicity or negativity or unhealthy patterns in their life. And they feel like this is what you deserve right now. You deserve a healthy, healed relationship kind of a deal. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Four of Cups. So from your side, you feel like you're quite upset in your love and relationship area because the kind of person or the kind of personality you want in your situation, that you are not getting that exactly. Let me clarify the Four of Cups. We have the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles and the Four of Swords. Yeah, you feel like emotionally confused. You feeling emotionally drained, not confused, and you feel like just waiting and watching like from a distance and healing yourself properly so that you might be you will be able to attract the kind of person you really want in your love and relationship area. You're quite upset with your love life and you feel like you should take a step back and understand each and every pattern that you have gone through so that you can attract the right kind of person, right kind of energy towards you. Right, that's pretty cool. You feel upset about your love relationship area as of now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Swords. They want to get out of this mental jail that they are completely in. All the time they are thinking negative about the situation. All the time they are feeling like they're in some kind of mental jail that they are not able to come out of. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords. We have the Moon card, the Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Swords, right? See, they want to get out of this fear of continuously thinking negative about the situation. They want to come towards you with some kind of peaceful solution that you guys are facing in the situation. And they want to let go of this stressful energies, anxiety, and depression that they're going through because of this whole situation. Okay. There are some kind of secrets or there are some kind of fears that they want to share with you. I don't see these secrets are related to like cheating or something like that, but they want to share some kind of insecurities and fear of theirs with you so that they can let go of those fears and insecurities out of their system. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Ten of Pentacles. So from your side, you want a very stable relationship, very stable, secure, and safe relationship with financial independence as well. Like both of you are financially independent, and then you're coming together to create a beautiful family kind of dynamic, and everyone is happy. Safe and secure. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. We have the Hierophant, the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Pentacles. Hmm. Okay, so you want to hold on to this idea of having something stable on the table and or having nothing at all in your life whatsoever. You're like, universe, please send me the kind of person that I want in my life who is going to stick around maybe for the rest of my life. I don't want small things, not small things. I don't want you know just for sex or casual things or just for the timing kinds of thing. I want something stable, I want something long term, and please help me to achieve that. This or nothing, this is what you want. Got it. That's really cool, pretty cool that you know what you want. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 29th of December. High Priestess, I do see a period of silence. I do see this energy of you listening to your intuition and not doing much about this area. Let me clarify the High Priestess. We have the Two of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Cups. It's like you are waiting and waiting and waiting, and your ego is kind of telling you to keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead, and don't wait for anybody. You're silently waiting for something or someone to show up in your life, either a specific person and or a specific kind of person or personality. You're waiting, and your ego is kind of telling you that is going to happen for sure. I'm saying ego because you're talking to your mind, and your mind is continuously blocking you from connecting with other people, other energies that might not be matching with the kind of person or personality you are stuck on. And that is why you're kind of like going away and away and away from your manifestations, because you are blocking your own energies by listening to your mind. God, it's very difficult to make you guys understand that sometimes our manifestation is totally different from what we want, but that the exact manifestation that is good for us. That's very difficult to make you guys understand. Maybe I'm going to like make a proper video on that someday, on that particular thing someday. When we manifest something, you know, we should always say this or something better, this or someone better, so that you are going to attract that is good for you, that is meant for you. See, we anyway is going to attract what is meant for us. We are never going to attract that the things that are not meant for us in this lifetime, no matter how many years you're going to spend on that. Trust me on that. But that whatever is meant for you, you will be able to attract that faster if you're going to like remain open to the idea of having something different as well, right? Having something that's good for you, meant for you, something better, that or something better, this or something better. Guidance, Eight of Wands. Please be open to the idea of connecting with new people, new energies, new experiences, with this kind of mindset of, even if it is not going to align with my energies or make me happy instantly, maybe I am going to connect with people or energies that are totally opposite of what I want to have, right? At least experience, at least be open to the idea of experiencing, exploring new people, new situations, without creating this kind of blockage of, no, I want it like this only, like this only. You're creating a blockage here, Pisces. I wish I could remove that, but only you can do that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.